Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To create a CV on Canva for free, start by navigating to the Canva website and signing up or logging in. Next, click on the Create a Design button and search for CV or Resume in the Design Templates section. Choose a template that aligns with your style and profession. You can then customize the template by adding your personal information, adjusting font styles, colors, and adding relevant sections or icons. Once satisfied, download your CV in your preferred format, PDF, JPG, etc., for free. Remember, a well-designed CV can make a significant first impression.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.